this is a hill. But 2 days ago, it looked like this. We had almost 200 milliliters of rain, and then everything flooded. So, as any normal people would do, we decided to go surfing.
It is 3:27 on Tuesday, and we had crazy rain the whole night last night. Rivers are flooding all over the place. Check this. Like, this is literally down there and over there. We are going to go see what the damage is. The idea is to try surf it, maybe. We're on our way. So our destination is like just over there. Gonna do a little bit of tracking. Dude, check how full this dam is though. Bro, ducks are psyched.
Guys, you see these cars over there? All of my friends are scared of them. Shout out Muru, Alex, Lex, Dan, Luke. All of them are bushies.
This is the boys go exploring the biggest rainfall since 2019. You should check. It came down. Wait. You can even hear the river. I feel like running. All the rivers came down. Like this one river that we have to go to get to town, fully flooded. Looks like a raging river, which it is. And then there was another river. We can hear it. We can hear it. Oh my gosh. Dude, I can't run with this big shot. Oh, this is what we were hearing. You're gonna have to get piggyback right across. If we fall, got my phone on me. Oh no, my pants! Whew. That was the amazing river we came to view, people. Thanks for watching. No, it wasn't. We're about to see in front here. Oh, it is! Daryl, it is! Yeah! Look at that! Oh! We're on. Look at that. Oh yes, let's go.
Guys, that is actually awesome. I might just run across this dam. Get the surfboards, the boogie board, the wetsuits. Everything's overflowing, guys. I'm running in this water. Holy guys, I can barely breathe.
And asthma's kicking in.
I think I also just got the asthma. See, I'm crying how fast I was running. Just call me Lightning McQueen.
Ladies and gentlemen, so this is the daily thoughts. I was in my bed watching movies, and then I got ringed up by these two kooks saying that there's an overflowing water dam. We're all in our wetsuits and Crocs. We have all the essentials we need. The weather is actually horrible, but for what we are doing, it is very good.
One that's close still.
I saw a rat.
Ma, how does this thing
Yeah.
Grab 2 books.
We are walking in the darkness.
Yeah, we actually have to run, lads.
Wait, hold on, guys. I need to put my Crocs in the spikes. Ow, almost broke my Crocs. Ow. Oh. I can do anything now. How far? Oh, there's a baboon there. Look, there's baboons there. There's baboons. Maybe the things are big, bro. You guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's baboons. So we are walking into a trap. There's our cameraman walking over there. That was our cameraman, aka our mom. There's the lake. The lake of... We're going into them, bruh. I thought it was like a hectic river. Look at it's a little stream, bruh. Yes, I thought it's very cold, eh? Look at this tree. Oh, baby. I'm in it, baby. Yes, it's so scary, bruh. I just saw one turn at me. I'm like, no. Oh, there it is. What cooks are we going here, bro? I don't know how my hair looks. Even worse.
Please to get moving.
we get the GoPro?
Oh, she's going!
Should I get the GoPro?
Which step will you take it?
You know, I got working out to do this. This is hectic.
Yeah.
Hectic work. Get the real speed. Little boy is putting in some hectic work here. We got our spectators over there. Dude, watch this. What I'm walking with. Here's the cooks. Taco. I got some of the stuff in my mouth. I'm getting in a touch screen.
This is a lot harder. And look, okay, go. You fly 360. See how fast this goes? This walk up is actually killer, but river's flowing, we're so. Okay, we're gonna try standing wave. Let's go try. A lot of water moving through there. Get the board! Stop this!
See, what would be cool is we do this manually because we don't have motor winch. Motor winch is the best winch anybody can have.
What was that? Guys, Destin doesn't know how to do it.
As I was saying, motor winch, we need you to help us complete what we want to do.
I'm so tired. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this.
I'll take
That is sick.
know what they say. You can't keep the clouds away.
This water tastes so bad that you get in your mouth there.
Brand new day. All my life I've been searching for the right way to keep my head
done.
It's harder than you think to live our days in happiness and worry about what happens next. It's harder than you think to. Life's moving faster. It's all just a game we play. I've been losing myself in every single way.
I can't feel my calves. I'm so tired. It's like almost DD border. Uphill. I'm finished. That was so much fun. Grabbing everything, we're heading back to the car. We should have come like a few hours earlier. Look how much higher the water level was. Like you can see the flash. That must have been insane, but we cooked a bit on this one. We'll be ready for the next time. That was so much fun though, oh my gosh. Catch up with you guys now.
Okay, Daryl, tell us what happened.
I mean, look at this monstrosity of water. We went down here. Super fun. At the top there, Daniel held, I held the rope and then Daniel was running like a winch. This was so much fun because you go, then you do like a nice little backhand snap, then you like carve it around, then you do another one, then you go down. Awesome. But I'm gonna try and go down this hill.
I'm just taking my time, just taking my time.
Little film crew peanut gallery on the side there.
Just taking my time, just
Down.
taking my time.
Yeah, I think just go.
Okay guys, they paid me $100 if I can take this board and make it across the other side. Let's see how it goes. What's it called, dude? Guys.
It's not even bad.
You got this!
Or isn't.
Bro, it's not even bad. Go.
Go, Destin. No, Uzi! Oh, come on, people, this is what we've been waiting for. Get the rudder. $5 doesn't make it until the morning. Get that in your mouth, bro. You gotta get the tummy. Oh, that looks so good. Gotta get. Oh, look at this. Yeah, go back. Where's your crocs, boy? Show some crocs around.
These crocs are clean, ladies and gentlemen.
Wow,
The only thing that saved me was in sports mode.
Crocs, catch surf, and O'Neill. Back to us, guys.
Oh, see, look at that. What do we catch surf socks on?
Look at that. Flex on that bad boy.
Do you like a thumbnail?
Okay. I thought that wasn't enough.
Yeah, Destin, do that. Bomb drop. Could there be stuff in there though?
Okay, guys. I'm gonna bomb drop that hill and let's see how it goes.
Oh my God, get out of there, man.
I thought I stopped that.
That is, yo, that's a show. Tell the people what you think of that.
Guys, how'd it go? Keep the Crocs. 360. What is the only reason you did that? What is keeping you protected?
$100.
The Crocs.
The Crocs.
Guys, why did the Crocs fall off?
The amazing feature of sports mode.
Let's
Invented
go.
by somebody. And, yeah.
Let's go. Crocs. Look how clean this is.
Okay, people, we just conquered
the crazy river over there, that thing. That was so much fun, oh my gosh. We had so much rain last night, so we knew we had to get out there and do something. It was like iffy, cold and everything. Daryl and I came out here, we saw it was cooking, and we got out there. Check out this mini one. And then our very own Blair Conklin at home decided he was gonna shoot the gap. Somehow, Destin thought he was gonna make it. Dave, did you have any faith in Destin making the gap?
Nothing. Nothing at all. There was no faith in that boy making nothing. I knew from a mile away. Flipping no $100 for that boy whatsoever.
Okay, go. Daryl Racy's gonna skim across. Go, Daryl. Oh, jump, jump, jump. That was makeable. That other one was definitely not. Okay, people, we just finished up. Rain's about to hit. Check out this dude hanging outside the car. We are freezing. We hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe below. We're gonna see you on the next one. I'm so cold. This is horses.
Why did you tell me to open my window?